Have you been looking for a performance sedan with styling that won't break the bank? We'll take a look at this 2020 Alfa Romeo Giulia in Misano Blue. With bi-xenon HID headlamps, dark Scudetto grille, 19-inch aluminum wheels, gloss red brake calipers, LED tail lamps, dark exhaust tips, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 17,000 miles on the odometer, 8.8-inch infotainment display, rear backup camera, Alpha DNA drive modes, second row USB ports, DUAL-PANE panoramic sunroof, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D6295.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.